Laureates of this year's Outstanding Filipino Award have taken their oath. Let's get to know them in this report by mobile journalist Merimon Reyes.
The Outstanding Filipino or TOEFL Award recognizes individuals who have given exemplary contribution for the good of public welfare and national development. This is the Nobel Prize of the Philippines, which was conceived by the JCI Senate Philippines in 1988. Yesterday, past and present honorees joined together for the second Laureates Conference, where exchanges of thoughts and discourses were held in the appreciation to one another's purpose. This year's laureates who have taken their oath are Attorney Emilio Benito Aquino from the Securities and Exchange Commission, Dr. Carlito Balita for Education, Dr. Maria Rosa Carrison, founder of the Seagull Philippines for her peace advocacy, Undersecretary Gilbert Cruz for Government Service with the Presidential Anti-Organized Crime Commission, Dr. J. Prospero de Vera from the Commission on Higher Education, Dr. Lynn Lourdes Lucena for Medicine with the Neurotrauma Society of the Philippines, and Professor Juan Pulhin from the University of the Philippines for Geographical Sciences and Social Forestry. The Angat Buhay Foundation, spearheaded by former Vice President Leni Robredo, as well as the Khan Academy of Attorney Geraldine Sunshine, were also recognized as the TOEFL Partner Honorees. According to VP Robredo, it was adaptability and the heart for doing something good that made them motivated into starting and continuing their efforts.
We adapt parang whatever the situation is. Kasi parang everyday, the challenges are different. So ang pinaka test talaga sa amin, how flexible and how agile we are to be able to respond to the present needs.
According to TOEFL Head of Programs Kathy Yang, the Laureates Conference not only paved the path to connect honorees, but it also established a common sense of consciousness that is hoped to continue others to do the same, becoming beacons of hope and change.
We were in a room of luminaries. Minamahal nila yung bayan sa kanilang sariling paraan. Kung ano yung kaya nating gawin, huwag tayong magpahinder sa mga hindi natin magawa. Kung ano na yung ginagawa ninyong maganda, kahit man maliit, malaking tulong yun.
Mobile journalist Merimon Reyes, we are One News.